Yes, people, Mill Life TV is here again. Once more in the Ank kitchen. This me I say people, today we have a new style for you know. Ank, we are give them today.
Well, you know, so right now, we want to boil some soup in the day.
Yeah.
Line up with pimento and with pepper, we have put garlic in the pot and them sitting there.
Okay, so what kind of soup you are dealing with?
We deal with some chicken foot and chicken neck, you know.
Okay.
So we have to put some garlic in
I
the
want
pot
people
and
to
make
eat
it go and boil.
The chicken for the people. The yam, Irish, chocha, carrot, scallion, thyme. You see what the people? Yeah, man. Good look, you know.
Yeah, man, flour, everything we need up, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, we kind of prep up the pot, you know, with the garlic, you know.
Man, see the people, garlic in a pot.
Yeah, we prep up the pot with the garlic.
Mm-hmm.
Soup we are dealing with, you know.
Flour now.
Yeah, we're gonna make some flour for the soup, so we're gonna need eating some flour in our soup right now. No one knows, so that's how we do it in Jamaica, we have to put the flour in our soup.
Yeah, man, spinach, you know.
Yeah.
Carrot wheel too.
So we line up it, you know.
Yeah, man, people, you know. Like, share and subscribe, you know. Build channel people. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Anchor go on good, you know.
Yeah, man. Flour this we need up.
Anchor go on really good people. Show them the support. You see
Yeah,
me I say?
man. Line up in the kitchen, because we have to eat, you know.
That's a man.
Yeah.
Food is life. Without food,
Yeah, man.
there's no life.
We put some water in the flour here now. And we're gonna need it. Put some water to tighten up it and get it the body.
People.
Yeah.
Anchor in action need flour.
Don't know if you have that in our soup, you know. Pot go and boil up and now to need up some flour. Yeah.
Yeah, man, see the anchor go on, man. Fast and eat flour. Real veteran in the kitchen. Real vet.
So we have to
That's
line
it.
up the flour, you know.
Yeah, man. Wanna show experience in the kitchen, people. You can't see what I go on, man. Experience. No anchor cook. Jamaican abroad.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, someone.
Need up this in here now. Then the pot start boil up and put them in it scene. Alright. Him that.
Him that, people. You see?
Cover him, make the pot go and boil in the meanwhile I know. Yeah, next we're gonna clean up the chicken foot here now to make it go and boil.
The people.
With some chicken neck, with some vinegar.
Chicken foot.
So we have to go clean them up. Cut off the toe them, you know?
Yes, people. Details, you know. The chicken a pedicure.
Yeah.
Oh, to God.
All toe gone. All toe gone, you know? Oh, I never because this is drop clean up them. So we have to deal with it, you know?
Yeah, man.
Soak it on the vinegar water and wash them off and then we pedicure them back out
Yeah, you see me?
and give them. You know, boiled chicken foot with them and we take off them.
Yeah, man. No toenail.
No toenail, no thing on it. clean up the nail, I might, you know.
True.
TV I go on, you see me?
Live and direct, it's my say.
Yeah.
You're showing how, you know, you give chicken foot. Very cute.
You see it? Right tonight.
Alright, tonight. Mm-hmm.
Line up the foot then. Cut out the steppers them. So we deal with it.
Yeah, man. So we do it now. On kitchen people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Neck to everything, you know.
True.
Yeah, we rinse it off again, you know. Finish him down and finish, you know. We are rinse him off to put in a pot.
Water for meat people.
So you don't know you have to give him back the pressure off again, you know, because enough people want to know the style, but
Clean food, you know?
yeah, wash him off.
Yeah, man.
So we deal with it.
Yeah, man, people food thing naturally, you know. You see what I say?
Right now we put some powder pan it before we go and boil in the pot, same way. Black pepper and we sitting upon them, same way, you see me?
Go and season up a little bit.
Season powder, same way, you know.
Soak, you know?
Everything boil in the pot. All purpose. Cayenne pepper.
Pepper. Yeah.
Yeah. Soup of the spice up. Jerk. Yeah. Season them there, no?
Mm-hmm.
Like all purpose.
Purpose for them same way people feel it. All the details, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Man.
Then I put in on the pot, you know. Right to the pot again, you know.
Right now the soup pot.
Pot go and bubble up, you know. Make it go and boil up.
People. Steam.
Steam a come out now, make it go and set and
What
boil.
a steam.
So we deal with it, you
Yeah,
see?
man.
Yeah.
Yes, people. Flour time I know, you know?
Yeah,
Or in a pot.
Yeah, I'll put some, I shall put the yam, I put the flour, because the flour now mash out, the yam can go in after.
Man.
And the Irish. Yeah. Flour time again, you know?
Man.
So we deal with the soup pot them. Yeah.
One people see it there.
And cooking, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See the people that call spinners.
Yeah.
Spinners people.
You have to make some of them.
Well,
there,
that
you know?
show them I'm switching that pot. We call spinners.
Yeah.
People.
All of the style we do.
This is what we call spinners people.
We do spinners and we do some
Show them are spinners, you know?
dinner size one them.
Yeah, dinner size people. See, a
Yeah,
spinners are now.
spinners I know.
People, this is how we call spinners.
So you say it's
Yeah,
like
man.
that.
Spinners people.
So then look there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man.
So then look there.
Spinners are going to pot, you know? Yeah, man, the people, when you see it right here, people, spinners.
Soup we are making
Yeah,
now, we are
soup.
putting them and then we put in the Irish and we yam and them, the kind of flour will never soft, you know.
Yeah, man, chicken foot
So I
soup, you know?
can go and boil for all an hour too.
Mm.
Everything right, you know. All style we have to them.
All style.
Spinners them step on them.
Yeah, man, teach them, uncle, you know? Eat the people.
Yeah.
Pot a bubble. Yeah, man.
Chicken foot soup.
Chicken foot soup.
Put in the skeleton and the time off and we put in this to and deal with all of the next vegetable them. Season down to the pot.
Man.
All time we are with them,
All
you know.
style.
Boil two dumplings in the night, same way. So we deal with the soup
Yeah,
style.
man. Can't twirl upon people.
Yeah. So the pot rise up there. one couple of card people, or 6 or 7 of them with some spinach and like our yam, you know.
Yeah.
Live up, you know. Soup is a good for the flu too. Chicken
Yeah, man.
good soup.
Right thing.
Run off some of them now. We that this so now this so I'm gonna deal with some next thing over here so I wash off some time people. Cause we not left with time. Put the time in the pot to go and make it boil again.
Yeah, man. Time of pot people.
Yeah. Deal with the skeleton.
Oh, shit. Nobody go.
Alright. I line up, clean up some skeleton
Yeah,
now.
man. Scallion people.
So we deal with the soup, you know.
I was telling you before people, anyway, it's Scallion, remember time is there. Anyway, it's time, Scallion is there. Empire. Best friend. You see me?
Yeah man, I have to deal with the soup, alright.
Yeah, man.
Soup have to have flavour with them, yeah.
Scallion give food proper flavor.
Yeah man, and everything.
Yeah, man. Make food smell nice.
Everything them have to for the system our blood, you know.
Mm-hmm. I say, I don't want,
Good, but they have to have purpose
Yeah,
to the tea can drink, them I tell you.
yeah, one time, Scallion up,
But
man.
have to have season on it.
Scallion, I give a pot that nice smell, you know, to you know, man.
Yeah man. Make sure some skeleton in it. Yeah.
Yeah, man, see the people.
Right now, some of we used to crush up the skeleton, but we have different style because skeleton is good use. So right now, I'm going to cut it up and put it in the soup pot, make the boil. Same way. You don't crush again. You can do the same way.
Same way, people.
Everything will boil out. Who don't know the style can deal with it, you know?
That me know too.
Everything will boil out, people. See how we line up it. Now we turnip we are put into
The people,
soup, you know?
show them again. You call it turnip.
It's nearly turnip. It's good for your nerves and say.
Alright.
So it's good for you in the soup too. Because we don't eat it like that, so we drink the water for it. Peel off and 2 turnip and get up with soup with it up, you know?
So,
Right back to the soup pot again.
yeah, man, turnip in a soup pot, people.
But I come up with touchy bubble. I see the flavour of the pot, man. Ice green and gold when we done, you know?
Eat that, man.
Carrot, everything in line, you know? Carrot in our soup, see how we
Yeah, man. Both are seal, people, you know?
make it look like ice green and gold up, you know?
Yeah, man,
Dumpling, everything in him, you know?
Both are seal, people, so we take on passenger, you know? Carrot in him, dumpling. You see me?
Turnip,
Time turnip.
everything.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we're gonna take on passenger, man.
Watch it.
Our
Mill them up the TV.
Yeah,
I
man.
don't know it's there.
Mill Life TV people, you know?
Mill
Like and
Life,
share
bro.
and subscribe. Remember, people?
Irish, everything are going on with pot, you know, because we don't boil the soup without the Irish, you know. Because you don't know Irish enough in our pot.
Yes, people, show us and support people, you know? Yeah, man.
Line up some Irish.
Great Irish potato, people.
Yeah, man. All of that are in our soup, man. And we don't left the cock soup, no, but all of that are in the same way.
Same way.
You see it? But everything I run off a stage by stage, you know. Some people want to get the real cooking and know to deal with the
Yeah,
cooking.
man. That's what I give them, you know?
Yeah.
I give them the real Jamaican style of cooking people. You see what I say? This is how we eat in Jamaica, people. Real raw born Jamaican, this is how we eat.
You see
Good
it?
food.
The chocho there, they
Yeah,
call
man.
it chocho.
Yeah, man. Show them, kind of people know when you chocho.
Chocho.
People that are called chocho, see the people. Good for you.
Yeah, all of them are ready for the soup.
Yeah, man.
Get the soup body and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Flavor and taste, you know.
That's the man.
Cooking the chocho them. One chocho them small, but we have to use them up same way because the nourishment in them, you know.
Which is right.
We are cooking and talk about it, then so we have to eat where we go.
Mm-hmm.
So we go with them you know, people, so we have to eat them too, you know.
Natural food from the earth, people.
Yeah,
If I
man.
say, the earth cure them food and give them power. If I say, so when we eat them, all sickness, you must say, but we are hide from them food. Different food we want now.
Yeah,
You know,
that-
processed food we are deal with now.
yeah,
No.
power for the process.
Yeah, not help you at all. Eat the people.
Yeah, this
The
is the
people,
yam too.
great yam, powerful. Eat there.
Boy,
Great.
we yam in our soup, you
Great
know.
yellow yam people, you know. See the people.
Beautiful yellow yam and put in our pot, make everything go and go and then set it up, you know. And me have to know if you deal with the pot.
Come on.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. When people get them still at home in kitchen. I want to see this on Midlife TV.
See the Midlife TV.
Yeah, man. The people, if you like and share them and subscribe them, man. Build thing the people. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Support Ank, you know? Yes, Ank.
There, man, we there. Nah, give up, you know.
Yeah, man. They are seal the boat.
You see it.
This is not this is not our boat. It's our boat.
You see it.
Mm. Yeah, man.
Rinse out back the food and now I'm putting on the pot.
Yeah, man. Food them clean and fresh.
Oh, yeah, them gonna go back to it. See, mill them up.
Yeah, man. Middle them up.
Midlife
That's why I tell
TV.
them, how you know?
You could have catch the smell of that, say, boy, you want some I eat, but I don't, so you go.
The kick. People. Leave me.
Midlife up.
Oh, smell this right now. Mm-mm.
Put them afloat there. With everything up. Yes, people, are we that, you know, we have a cock soup and all.
Right now, ready for Japanese people.
See in there?
Yeah, voilà.
And we
Yeah,
not have no
people.
pumpkin, but we not left for
Cock
cock soup.
Yeah, man. Jamaican style.
Style.
Alright.
Put him in and make him go and simmer down. Read that style. Color come up now, you see it? Soon see the flavor come over back.
Man.
Read that there, sir.
Yeah, man. Chicken food that take pedicure, you know?
Yeah, right down to the map.
Right down to the max.
See it there?
Yeah,
Chef
man.
Uno.
Hank, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah,
real
Hank.
man of town.
Alright.
See it there? That's how me do it one
Alright,
time. That's
yeah,
real.
man. The people, man, support, you know, man. Support the movement, support the thing. You see what I
Yeah,
say?
man. Say we support with there, man.
I don't know what to do already, you know.
Never give up fire.
Alright.
We don't know it's set. One up.
One up. Mill.
Yeah, mill them up. The pot, that's why I go on in the pot now, you see it? So the pot look people.
Yeah.
Pot that enough people.
People, bubble up.
Yeah man, pot that. Take off a piece of time because you don't know the pot almost ready now when I see the pot like that people. Right up to the top where I carry him.
Right up
See
to
him
the top.
there? I am that people. Ready to serve you now. Boil out and ready to serve. Yeah, the soup up. Let it prepare up.
Yes, people, so I started
Yeah,
finishing,
man.
you know? Yeah, man. Chicken
Up
foot
to date.
soup.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Done and ready. Uncle got taste the soup and tell it, you know? Or the soup taste.
Yes, people, natural, you know?
Yeah, man. Shot.
Yeah.
Alright. I got test my own now, people, and, you know? Go and think of Uncle.
Put the pepper, you know?
Cooking.
Spicy, you know?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. Spicy. Fella.
Not too spicy, but
Yeah,
you
spicy, yeah,
can
man.
taste it, you know?
As a soup for drink. Yeah, man. People, the soup shot. Soup sell off. Uncle go on good people. Show Uncle the support. You see the people? Yeah, man. So just know say one love, you know?
Yeah,
Midlife TV. People like, share,
Yeah,
subscribe, you know? Yeah, man. More life people.
More life.
Yeah, man.
So we do it.
Yeah, man. And kitchen.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Midlife TV.
Big it up.